In today's video, I'm going to show you how to template tasks in ClickUp using automations to standardize your process. This method is perfect if you want to create consistent workflows, save time on repetitive tasks, and ensure your team follows the same structure every single time. Whether you're managing projects, client onboarding, or daily operations, templating tasks will transform how you work in ClickUp. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're logged into your workspace. On the left panel, you'll see your navigation menu. Click on Spaces to view all your available spaces. Next, choose the space where you want to create or apply task templates. This could be a marketing space, operations space, or any area of your workspace that needs standardized processes. Once you're inside the selected space, look toward the top right corner of your screen. Click on Customize. This opens up the customization options for that specific space. From the customization menu, click on Browse Templates. This is where ClickUp stores pre-built templates and allows you to create your own custom task templates. You can now explore existing templates or build your own from scratch to automate repetitive task creation. By using templates, you ensure that every new task includes the same subtasks, checklists, assignees, due dates, and custom fields, making your workflow consistent and efficient. Once you've selected or created a template, you can apply it to new tasks with just one click, saving hours of manual setup. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to template tasks in ClickUp and use automations to standardize your process. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.